In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with WhatsApp, 2026 Step-by-Step Beginner Tutorial. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Slack workspace and that you have permission to install apps. Some workspaces require an admin to approve new apps, so if you see a request screen, that's normal. Start in your Slack home. This is the main view where you see your channels and direct messages. Look at the left sidebar and find the Apps section. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little or collapse and expand the sidebar until it appears. Now, right-click on Apps. On a trackpad, use a two-finger click, and on a mouse, use the secondary click. This opens a small context menu with options related to app management in your workspace. Hover your cursor over Manage. Don't click yet, just hover. This reveals additional options that take you to Slack's app directory and management pages. From the options that appear, choose Browse Apps. Clicking this opens the app directory for your workspace, either in a new panel within Slack or in your browser, depending on your setup. Once you're in the app directory, use the search bar at the top and type WhatsApp. You'll see results for integrations that connect WhatsApp with Slack. Look for a listing that clearly supports WhatsApp messaging inside Slack. Open the listing to review the description, features, and the permissions it requests. This is a great moment to confirm it matches your team's needs and security guidelines. When you're ready, click Install. Slack may prompt you to select the workspace if you're in more than one, and it will show the permission scopes the app needs. Read these carefully so you know what the app can access. If your workspace requires admin approval, submit the request and wait for it to be granted. Next, you'll see an Add to Slack button on the Marketplace page for the app. Click Add to Slack to finalize the installation. Slack will confirm the action and, in many cases, open a setup screen or send a welcome message from the app into your Apps section. From here, the app's built-in onboarding typically walks you through connecting your WhatsApp account and choosing which Slack channels should receive messages. Follow those prompts at your own pace and keep your team's privacy policies in mind when granting access or choosing channels. That's it. You've located the Apps menu, browsed the directory, searched for WhatsApp, installed the integration, and added it to Slack. If anything looks different in your view, it's usually due to workspace permissions or UI updates, so just follow the on-screen instructions